Pola. Makita tayo sa Pola. Sa bayan. Bawal po dyan, sir.
Sige po, sige po. Okay po.
People that are supposed to be meeting us probably aren't even here yet.
Tawagan na lang, tawagan. Tawagan mo na ngayon. May pantawag ka. I mean, Facebook.
This is our first time here in Mindoro, and my camera is already low back. After we hop off the ferry, we go straight to the building in front of the UB Express terminal. Get the number and tell where we're going. We pay 200 each up to the Socorro. Then we transfer to a tricycle going to Pahilahan.
Sa bayan na lang daw ng Pola.
Hindi, sa bayan ng Pola.
Okay.
Kabisado niyo pa dito, Nay?
Oo naman.
Ito may tour guide pala tayo, yun.
Dito na ako tumangga.
Ay, tagal niya nang di nakabalik na. Kabisado niya pala eh.
Si Mama, first time din dito.
Eh, pangalawa na daw.
Pangalawa na.
Pero maliit pa kasi daw siya nung nakarating siya dito.
Grade 4.
Ah,
Grade 4 dito na nun. Grade 4, nag-aaral pa sa noon. Kinuha na naman grade 1. Ay di, uy. Si Olip hindi pa nag-aaral.
We can't just leave, can we?
Mother said we just meet up in a town.
in Pola.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Security, sir. Ano, develop na yung lugar pa.
Yeah. It's much more developed than Catanduanes.
Catanduanes.
Catanduanes is like,
They're
That's
just-
your
yeah.
island, isn't it, Derma?
Yeah. They're just starting.
Just starting there. Oh, that'll get it going. Look, property for lease.
if Mom was here, she'd be,
Flipping, yeah.
for sale, Duncan!
Yeah. I'm looking at the tricycles and the ornate designs.
Yeah.
The anti-don't drive into me bags. That will,
Oh, that's to carry stuff.
what, the sharp bit.
Not the sharp bit, of course,
Yeah.
but
Oh yeah, that's for suitcases now.
in Cavite they have a different style of Jeep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's Cebu as well, isn't it? It's more the like the mini van, like that thing on the left there, but open at the back.
Restaurant.
Bless you. Gabi na. It's dark already. Sarap. Ito na maganda ulo ko. Tanga, ayun yung ano. Yung noo. There. Mga mangyan daw sila.
Ay, wala na daw ano. Ayun nga, may narapa. Wala na daw sasakyan ng papola. Paano yan? Magkano yung tricycle?
Nag-tricycle na lang kami kasi wala na daw yung Mineropa. Hanggang alas 5 lang daw ang biyahe nun. So, kinontrata namin itong tricycle hanggang Pahilahan. So, ang sabi niya 350 daw. Aakyat daw kasi. Welcome to Coro!
Eli.
Tapa!
Alam niyo po,
Tapa!
Ay po?
hello po.
Sila.
Papunta pa lang po, nasa Socorro.
Sukor sila.
They're still, I think they're like an hour away. But might be longer because they're commuting.
Dark, pitch black.
Ay.
Yeah, mga pigalan. Mga pigalan lahat yan.
Ngayon nga lang po ng podpad dito.
Oh.
Hindi ko po alala yung mga ano.
Sintoy. Wala.
Wala po.
Si Inday mo lang, pala sa si Inday, ano?
Ay, sino po?
Si Inday, kapatid ni
Ay,
Inday.
hindi ko po alam.
Hindi mo,
You wanna coming? Yeah, yeah. Asawa po ni Mama. Ay, sorry.
Doon at tasdan.
Si Karen Ray.
Ayan. Hanggang dito na lang. Sementeryo ng, ano sementeryo yon? Ay, dito hindi na kailangan mag-helmet, no? Hindi. O, sige. Ayan, sinundo kami ng mga pinsan ba, no? Anong pinsan Olive? Ano? Hindi ko alam ang mga... Ayan sila. Sasakay kami. Ayan,
Talaga. Natuto na lang din ako. Pero nagtatagalog sila pag ako kausap nila. Oo, tas natuto na lang din ako magkapampangan. Ay, naghabal kayo? Kamusta ang buhay-buhay?
Salamat. Ay, Kuya Kaloy.
Ah,
Ano,
oo nga.
yung ferry namin, dapat
Oo.
alas 3 pa.
Kumusta ba? Ay, maganda.
Kung hindi, anong oras na
Mabilis
nasa
lang naman.
lansangan pa kami.
Lalo na
Eh,
din sa
ginawang
bisa ko.
alauna.
Yung gano'n, no?
Kaya nga, napaganda.
Zigzag. Ang tawa nga si nanay. Kaya ano, bito ka manok na yun. Bito ka manok eh.
Di nag-nostalgic na naman siya.
Oo. Ayun.
Ayun ang maganda doon.
Kita sa mga pinsan niya.
Nakala lang, Les, Kuya Kanoy.
Oo.
Anak ni Ate Tona.
Kita na kami eh.
Yung maliit dati. Siya yun.
Ay, nagkita na kayo? Nagkita pala tayo. Oo, sa inyo.
sa inyo mismo sa Pampanga ba yun?
Ah, sa Pampanga. Ah. Hindi ko na po maalala. Maliit pa ako nun eh.
Ano ba sabi ni si Evelyn? Why Sprite? Si ano? This no? This one. And we don't like the Sprite. He don't like that, he like the Sprite. Ano pa, yung mga bata gutom na?
Oh, baka gusto mo kumain.
So, hello everyone. So, our last night is a bit disaster because we are not fit, all of us in a car. So, my sister and me is in a tricycle. So, and my mom's relative, they don't have a proper place to stay, you know. Especially, I'm with him. You know the house in the province, right? It's really province. It's like really, really province. It is shed he call it shed in his description, but it is a house here in wooden shed. So it's a disaster last night. Luckily not really the disaster, but luckily we found this hotel, not good enough, but still save us where to sleep last night. No, and then because we think that we can have a house to sleep here, but when we saw the place, no. So, luckily, we found this. So, I'm gonna show you this place. It's a bit need renovation, actually. So, It has a lot of room here. It's the name of the hotel is Cafe de Oro Hotel here in Socorro. So I'll get you outside. So my mom, so this is our room. So we pay here 900 because it's only the two of us. So ayan, there's a mirror, but you know, very old fashioned, ha. This shower is not working. So we're gonna use bucket. Yan, that one there. So that's the toilet and bath. But they have aircon in fairness. That's the main thing. The most important for us is the aircon. And then I'm gonna show you here from the outside. There's more room here. So beside our room, this is our room. So beside is my son and his family. So here they are. That's the kids, my son and daughter-in-law there. Same as my aircon. So that's our room there, and this is my son. So next is here. Here is my mom and my sister. That's my mom. She's sleeping. It's her birthday today. Happy birthday! She's tired. Ayan. So same. They have a bathroom. So there are TV and air condition there. So the area is not that good, but good enough, because there's a Wi-Fi and aircon. There's a lot of room here, there, and then you can park your car if you have a car. Yeah, there. Hello, ayan yung may-ari. She's the owner. So we are going to check out now here at Cafe Golden de Oro in Socorro, where we stay for a night. We're going next accommodation at Barber's Resort.